Hello everyone, this is Jackson Traeger joining us here today, and he's going to tell us about his encounter with a bear. So tell us, Jackson, how did this all happen?
I was at the Kazaroo, Oregon biking trail. I was on my bike, bike trailing. I think it was about 3 or 4 hours into my biking to where I came across a big old brown bear. So I looked at that bear, and when he's looking at me, and I see him get lower and lower to the ground, and I think, all right, maybe he's gonna lay down. I see him start kicking his feet back, hard, like a bull would if he was about to charge him. That's what I saw in this bear's eyes. And so I slowly turned my bike around the other way. I said, I gotta just turn around, go the other way, even though maybe I don't even have a shot. I didn't move too quickly. But man, when I started going and I look back and I see that bear slowly walking, I thought in my eyes he's charging me. But the farther and farther I got away, he wasn't even running. He was slowly walking. He just scared me off like bears do. About 5 minutes later, I came face to face with a moose on the same trail. And I think he was just looking at me as a normal biker. He let me go, and I survived that day. And that's my story. And I still love bears, and mooses are pretty cool too.